everyone, Jen Bucci here with another HomePro Match video question. If your home has a crawl space, you may be wondering, how can I keep my crawl space dry? Does my crawl space need a vapor barrier? The answer is yes. Here are 4 reasons why. Reason number 1, vapor barriers help keep your home healthier. When we are home, 40% of the air we breathe in is from our crawl space or basement. This is because of the stack effect. The stack effect is a process of warm air rising in our home. Naturally, an unsealed crawl space will pull in new, unconditioned air from the outside and will travel up to the rest of your home. Having a vapor barrier will help prevent this musty, unhealthy air from entering your crawl space. Reason number 2, vapor barriers can help prevent water intrusion from outside. A crawl space is below grade space. Because of this, it's prone to invite unwanted water in from the soil outside. Along with other waterproofing products and systems, a vapor barrier can help stop water intrusion and prevent issues caused by water and moisture, including mold, mildew, and rotting wood. Reason number 3, vapor barriers stop unwanted airflow. When it's hot outside, we want our home to stay cool. If we have an open crawl space, this hot air from outside can easily make its way inside, making our home warm. The same goes for homes that are cool in the wintertime. The thick protective material of a vapor barrier will help stop this unwanted airflow, making your home more comfortable year-round. Reason number 4, vapor barriers can help keep out most pests and insects. Small insects and rodents can easily find their way through an unsealed crawl space, which can lead to further damage in your home. Installing a crawl space vapor barrier will help close these gaps in entryways, helping you live pest-free. If you're looking to install a vapor barrier in your crawl space, the experts at HomePro Match are here to help. Visit homepromatch.com today to find your crawl space contractor. Thanks for watching.